Welcome to Parcelly's label-free shipment and returns check-in tutorial for DHL Express parcels. In this tutorial video, we'll show you how to process a DHL Express label-free parcel from start to finish. A customer arrives at your shop with a parcel without label. You identify that the parcel is for DHL Express. Please ask the customer to show their DHL Express label-free QR code. Open the Parcelly app. On the Control Center, tap Check-in. Hold the phone over the customer's DHL Express label-free QR code to scan. You'll hear a beep and a confirmation alert appears, QR code identified. Take a barcode label from the label roll and attach it securely to the parcel, covering any old labels. Tap Next on the screen. Now scan the barcode label you just attached. You'll hear a beep and the check-in confirmation screen will appear. If the customer has more parcels, tap Check in Other Item and repeat. When you're finished, tap Thanks Done. The parcel is now ready for collection by DHL Express. Please ensure to always check in and check out all parcels to earn your full commission. If you need help, call us on 02038137868.